All currently enrolled students have access to download Microsoft Office applications to a personal computer or log in to a browser-based version of these apps. In order to walk you through the process, Computer Services has created a helpful guide. From the BPCC homepage, you can access this guide by navigating to the Computer Services webpage. Click Students, Support, and Computer Services. This page contains a lot of helpful information regarding campus computer systems and software, as well as troubleshooting your account for logging in and accessing services. From here, click Getting Help to reveal the available options. Click Instructions for downloading and installing Office 365. This page provides the step-by-step instructions for installing Microsoft Office applications. First, you'll want to be sure that you can log in to your BPCC email. Then, click this link to log into Office 365 using your Lola username and birth date in 6 digits as your password. From this page, you can access browser-based versions of the applications listed without downloading by simply clicking the icon. This can be helpful if you're using a shared computer or your device is unable to download and install this software. Also, when creating a document with these browser-based applications, they are automatically saved and backed up to the cloud. But in order to download software, you'll need to click the Install Office link and then Office 365 Apps. You may be asked to designate a location to save your file. The installation file will be downloaded in your browser and saved either in the Downloads folder or a location that you specified. Please note that downloading may take some time, and you must remain connected to the internet while downloading. Once it is complete, open the file to begin installation. Follow all of the instructions given in the windows. Once installation is complete, open one of the Microsoft Office apps to complete your one-time activation of Office 365. You may be prompted to log in using your BPCC student email and password. Office 365 should be ready to use on your device. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Computer Services directly or the Learning Commons, and we'd be happy to connect you with someone who can help.